So let me tell you something. Right here, right now, is smelling popcorn. Okay, I don't like the smell of popcorn. Makes me want to get some popcorn, but I can't get popcorn. It's gonna be stuck in my teeth, and I have to do interviews. Your popcorn is smelling so good.
Yes.
I don't like that because it's making me want to eat popcorn. Can you stop your popcorn from smelling so good?
We've tried, but we can't seem to stop it. It's just the coconut oil, it's irresistible.
I love being surrounded by good-looking men. Anybody tell you that? I love it. I'm in paradise. Did your boobs get bigger as you got pregnant?
Yes, they're as big as they've ever been right now. I was like, I put this dress on, I was like, is this too much? I don't even care.